But now we're going to send it over to News Channel 9's Josh Martin. He is joining us from probably one of the harder hit areas, Marcellus, and he has some details on what's happening there. Josh?
Jim, we drove around all afternoon looking for storm damage, and if you want to see how quickly and how fiercely this storm came in, you look over my right shoulder at this giant tree that fell earlier this afternoon. Jenny Randall says that she was just tucking some things away and making sure things were all right before the storm hit, and then it came. It took out the tree, as you can see from the video here, took out her front yard, part of the house up on the upper right-hand corner, and her car fell victim to this tree. Neighbors say the tree was more than 100 years old, and it didn't stand a chance against the winds that we saw this afternoon, but thankfully, no one was hurt.
It was almost like slow motion that all of a sudden the wind just picked up. It started to build up, and then all of a sudden there was like this crack, and you could hear it crack, and then it sounded like it was glass. That's why I grabbed my daughter so fast, because I didn't know if it had, like, the windows were breaking. And then just all of a sudden a huge, just loud thud, and that's when the tree started to come down, and it came down in two parts.
The power for the house was cut off about half an hour ago, and now comes the cleanup. We showed you a big stick that made its way across the street. A lot of little ones, too, from this giant tree that fell here in Marcellus. Live in Marcellus, Josh Martin, News Channel 9.
Yeah, and Josh, because of damage like that, there are a lot of power outages. At its height, more than 16,000 National Grid customers lost power, more than 3,400 in Oneida and 1,700 in Oswego. NYSEG tells us that nearly 6,900 customers in Cayuga County lost power. Crews will be going out throughout the evening, getting everybody back online, restoring that power.
You can be ready for whatever weather comes our way if you have the Live Doppler 9 app on your mobile device. If you don't have it already, search WSYR in the App Store or in Google Play.